Hello everyone, my name is Krishna Chandra Banjara and this is my YouTube channel. Today I am going to share you how to keep your phone virus free. Do you know how many virus or bacteria are in your smartphone? In March 6, 2020, I read one CNN report. There they write 10 times more bacteria virus than toilet seat found in smartphone. According to the German researchers, coronavirus can live on an inanimate surface like metal, glass or plastic, as in all of the materials used to make phone for up to 9 days. So we need to know how to use phone virus free. The World Health Organizations, NGO, government office, private office are teaching you how to save from coronavirus, how to wash your hand, how to wear masks, etc. information. They provide lot of information, but they don't teach you after washing your hand, after wearing your gloves, if you touch virus have your mobile, after that what happened? They are not teaching, they are not providing any information details. But don't worry, today I am going to share you some tips that help you to how to use mobile virus free. You might be washing your hand a lot of time, but you should also keep your phone clean. If you have a water resistant phone, you can clean it with soapy water. You can also put a cheap screen protector on the top of phone and wipe that down with a bench wipes. In general, you should probably just wash your hand before using your phone, and then use a hand sanitizer like a Prol after you use it and before you touch your face. If you are spending on the phone a lot, consider using headphones to avoid bringing your phone up to your face as frequently.